Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtones and other tones in Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone, Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. Click on settings. Click on sounds and vibration. Click on sounds and vibration. Click on ringtone and select SIM1 or SIM2. I here select SIM1. Here you can select the tones which are available within system itself. These are all the system ringtones. Just pick up any one. Otherwise you can add any music file. Just click on add button in the rightmost corner, that is right upper corner, and select any music file that you have in your gallery. And click done. This song is assigned as ringtone. In a similar way, you can set ringtone for another SIM. You can either choose from system ringtones or your own ringtones that you have in your folder. In the similar way, you can set other tones, that is notification sounds. You can also set vibration pattern. Just select from the options. This is notification sounds. Select the SIM and select from the system files, that is system ringtones. You cannot set any music file here. Just you can set from the system ringtones for notification sounds. Also you can control other tones like touch sounds. You can turn on or turn off only. Screen lock sounds, charging sound, dialing keypad tones, keyboard sound, etc. You can control. Just you can turn on or turn off. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and press the bell icon to get notifications.